gentlemen, Jodie Foster and Alexandra and John Travolta.
Same. Oh, John Travolta, too much Botox.
So we are going to talk about the Jodie Foster's holidays. Jodie Foster.
And her wife.
Alexandra
Hedison.
Yes, her wife, Alexandra Hedison.
Okay, but let's start. Yeah, well, how you know I am Jodie Foster? You can see my stunning picture. Look at that. I'm so beautiful, I know. But do you know, this is my wife. I am gay. Yeah, I am.
Sometimes wife, sometimes husband.
We didn't decide.
We did not discuss about that.
Yeah, not now.
But last night I was a wife.
Just like coin.
Yeah. And then this is our good friend,
Yeah.
John Travolta.
I'm their friend. Very close. Yeah. And I am an American actor and the pilot. I'm very genius. Yeah. Do I look smarter?
Yeah,
No.
please.
Why?
Yeah.
But I have this dress these days because I couldn't have noticing that a lot of people think I am gay. Just because of the articles and some pictures that I'm kissing with a man. That makes me fun of me. So that's why I'd like to go travel or go to somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, especially me because
Yeah.
I am famous since I have 3 years old. I am 3 years old, and then always in my life I have paparazzi, interview, films for to do. It's so stressful my life.
Oh.
My wife knows.
Yes, I was a normal person before. I can walk everywhere, but now I become like a superstar. Everybody look at us. Why is this kissing her? That's but they want to take a lot of pictures. I'm so boring about that, right, baby?
So difficult our life. We need a rest. And then,
rest.
do you have some idea for some rest?
Maybe we have a manager. Yeah, she's
Whoa,
gonna
yeah.
talk about that.
It's me. Yeah, as you can see. I am the manager of Jodie Foster. As you can see, she's very busy and she needs holidays. So I choose Castaway Agency. I choose Castaway Agency because I had an old customer. She was Eva Longoria. Everyone know Eva Longoria?
Yes.
Famous. Yeah, she's very famous. And she loved the customer service and organization of the travel agency. So Kasia, could you tell us more about the travel?
Of course, our company, The Castaway,
I'm going to
is
share the information.
we are the first travel agency in the world to specialize in holidays and experiences in remote desert islands around the whole planet. This is the only opportunity to feel like a castaway. These places are very unique. We chose for you to lose yourself in nature's imperfect society. So, welcome to the world's last paradise.